What's up, Corey? My name is Devin Norton. Thank you for speaking to me on the phone earlier, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to quickly give you 3 tips on what you can improve on your website so you can start ranking higher on Google. Specifically, how to beat Diamond Decks TX, because when you type in Deck Builder San Antonio, they show up first, and I'm going to show you how you can do that yourself. It's very, very simple. Now, you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of contractors, small business owners in general, that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, some people, actually a lot of people, just take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and say, you know what, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 main things today: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, to start with content, well, first off, to start, when I looked at your website, I love that you have all the relevant information you need here. You have all the services that you include. Your contact information is really easy to catch. You have a click to call button right here, so whenever somebody lands on it in their cell phone, they can call you right away. So great job with all that for converting traffic into leads. Now, to get traffic to your site, we need to rank it. And one of the biggest things Google cares about when it comes to ranking your website higher is content. Content is all the stuff that you can highlight, everything you can read on a website, as well as images. And the more content you have, the better. The average website on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of content, so that's kind of where you want to sit. So if I copy all of your content and paste it into this word counter right here, you can see I have 139 words. While if I go over to Diamond Decks and I copy all their words and paste theirs in, you can see they have 1,000 or almost 1,200 words. Good news here is they're not at 1,500 words, so by getting yourself to that 1,500 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. But it also allows you to fit in more buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a couple for you, and you can do this for any type of service, but like, for example, decks, San Antonio deck has 400 people searching that every month. Deck Builders San Antonio, 400 people searching that exact phrase every single month. Deck Repair San Antonio, 150 people every month. San Antonio Deck Builders, pretty similar, but a whole different keyword, another 150 people. So you can see with just these 4 keywords alone, that is already at 1,100 people searching every single month. You want to be in front of that. It's a ton of business for you. So all you need to do is copy these keywords and make sure you have them inside of your content. So you can be like, we are the Deck Builders San Antonio Trusts. That way you can fit it in while it makes sense. So that's all I've got for you as far as you can also put images too. When you put images on there, you can save your images as like Deck Repair San Antonio or Deck Builders San Antonio. It'll help you rank for that too. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip for you is called a backlink. A backlink is on another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is really important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites, which means you're going to get a lot more power if you have like other construction or handyman or deck building companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker. You can find all the same information. But it says you don't have any websites linking to you. While if we go to Diamond Decks, they have 604 websites or 674 websites linking to them. So what I would do if I were in your shoes is I would take all 674 websites that are linking to them and get them the same thing linking back to you. Because if those websites are good enough to rank them, then they're good enough to rank you too. So I would just go one by one to every single individual website, just like they did, and put a link on each site just like they did. Like Angie, for example. All you got to do is create a profile and put a link on your profile to your homepage, and you've got a link. Same with Yellow Pages, exact same thing. Create a profile, put a link on your profile back to your website, you've got a backlink. So if you copy them and get all the same backlinks, plus you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked right here and beat them organically. But I'm going to give you one last tip, and that's how to show up right here in the map section. This is the best place to show up. This is where the most calls come from. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's just when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. So I would figure out what directories Diamond Dex was in. I'd put myself in all those exact same directories, and then I'd add a bunch more on top. So like if they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in at least 300 or 400. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful, Corey. I tried to keep it short and to the point. To quickly recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage with keywords in your content and inside of images. Take the websites linking to Diamond Dex and get them linking back to yourself. Put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Diamond Dex. If you follow these 3 tips, this is enough to get you ranked to the front page of Google and start getting all the free phone calls that come with that. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You've got 2 options. The first option is to take this information and do it yourself. If you do it that route, that's completely awesome. All I ask is that you just let me know that, or give me some feedback on the video and let me know if you thought this information was helpful. If you want to get this done but you don't have the time to, or you just want someone else to help you, or you have any questions, give me a call anytime. I'd be happy to help you out, hear your goals, and give you an attack plan on what to do next. My phone number is 469-352-2524. Either way, thank you so much, Corey. It was great speaking to you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have an awesome day. See you later.